Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. Now I've been asked to have a look at this Vokera Easy Heat Plus. Now they got red light on, they've got no heating or hot water. So we're going to be diagnosing this in this video and I'll be sharing that with you. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Right, the pressure's okay, that's fine. I've taken the bottom part now, we're going to take the paste off and then we're going to do an internal visual check. Right, that looks okay, so what we're going to do now is reset it and then let's see what happens. Right guys, I put the heating on. Unfortunately it's not coming on because they've got room start, so instead of waiting around with that, I'm just going to open the tap and we're going to test it out on the tap. Right, I had the tap open, it wouldn't fire it up, but there was a huge noise of gurgling, a lot of gurgling noises, so that just told me that the condenser's clogged up on it. So it seems like an easy job now, but unfortunately it's a bit more difficult on these Vokeras. So keep watching and I'll share with you. Right, first of all we need to get these two clips out. To get them out we need long nose pliers for one of them. The other one can come out with your hands. Right guys, when you take the top part of the pipe out, there's going to be a bit of water. So make sure you got a bucket underneath, and if there's a spur switch, it's well protected. Right, we're going to look at the P-trap later, but this pipe is totally clogged up, real rock solid clogged. So we're trying to push it through, but it ain't going to work like that. We're going to need some help on this one. You know all those diverter valves I've been changing? You know the cable on them comes handy now, doesn't it?
Would you like to have a few more of those?
Right guys, that sorted Vokera. Condenser was blocked. So it's all looking fine now. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.